Homemade coffee mole sauce recipe, rich and flavorful. Hey, folks, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're making something truly special, coffee mole sauce. It's rich, flavorful, and perfect for adding depth to your favorite dishes. So, let's dive right in. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup brewed coffee, strong, 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup peanut butter, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Step 1. Heat olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add chopped onions and minced garlic. Sauté until the onions are translucent and fragrant. Step 2. Once the onions are softened, add in the chili powder, ground cumin, ground cinnamon, and ground cloves. Stir well to combine and let the spices toast for a minute or two, releasing their aromas. Step 3. Now, sprinkle in the unsweetened cocoa powder. This might seem like an unusual addition, but trust me, it adds a wonderful richness to the sauce. Step 4. Time to add the star ingredient, brewed coffee. Pour in a cup of strong brewed coffee and give everything a good stir. Step 5. Next, add a can of diced tomatoes with their juices. These will help to balance out the richness of the sauce and add a bit of acidity. Step 6. Once the sauce has thickened, it's time to add the final touch, peanut butter. This might seem unconventional, but it adds a creamy texture and a subtle nuttiness that takes this mole sauce to the next level. Step 7. Season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste. Give it a final stir, and there you have it, homemade coffee mole sauce. This sauce is incredibly versatile. You can use it as a marinade for meats, drizzle it over tacos or enchiladas, or even stir it into soups and stews for an extra kick of flavor. Let's give it a taste, shall we? Absolutely delicious. The combination of spices, cocoa, and coffee creates a complex and irresistible flavor profile that you're going to love. Well, that's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this coffee mole sauce recipe. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.